Now I will be starting exercise 18. It is written simplify. Sum number 1. B square minus C square by B square C square plus C square minus A square by this is fractional addition. So all of you know what to do. We'll take the LCM. What is our LCM? Here my LCM is A square B square C square. Now B square C square is there, missing A square. So this numerator I have to multiply by A square plus second one C square A square. B square is missing. In this way last one C square is missing. Then we will open the bracket by multiplication. A square B square minus A square C square plus B square C square minus simply multiplication by this. Now see, this is plus, this is minus, cancel out. Minus plus this. So in numerator we are getting 0 and denominator A square B square C square. You know 0 divided by any number, its answer is always 0. Clear? So in most of the cases in simplification chapter you will see answer either will come 0 or it will come 1. Then number 2 also you can do by taking LCM. Number 3 I am showing. It is easy. You can do A square by A minus B plus B square by B minus A. Now before taking LCM you see there is A minus B but there is B minus A. So you have to change the sign. I am changing the sign of the second one. So I am making it, when I am taking minus sign here, so it will become, there was B minus A initially, it will become A minus B. Clear? Now what is the LCM? Now same denominators. So A minus B is LCM, numerator is coming A square minus B square. Now formula, use formula, A plus B into A minus B. This and this common factor, so you are getting A plus B. Clear? Then next one. This sum may come in objective type for 2 marks. Now I am doing a big sum, that is number 5. Step by step we have to do. See. It is important you will give star mark. 1 by A minus 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 plus 2A by A square plus 1 plus 4A cubed by A to the power 4 plus 1 plus 8 A to the power 7 by A to the power 8 plus 1. Okay, it may come in exam. Now how to do? First, step by step you will do. First we will take first two terms. Then we will take the LCM. Factor. This is fractional addition. What is the LCM? A minus 1 into A plus 1. There is A minus 1, missing A plus 1. So 1 into A plus 1 means A plus 1. Plus here A minus 1 will go. Now 1 will be cancelled out. Then rest of the terms copy. Now here A plus A, 2A, and denominator use formula coming A square minus 1, A minus B into A plus B. So A minus 1 into A plus 1 means A square minus 1. Then again I am not copying. I think you are understanding that this term you have to copy. Now these two terms. What is the LCM? A square minus 1 into A square plus 1. Clear? Now here it will come 2A into A square minus 1 is there, missing A square plus 1, plus 2A into here A square minus 1, plus dot dot, these two terms will come. You don't give in copy dot dot dot, you will copy these terms again. Okay. Then I have this. Now multiply. 2A into A square means 2A cube plus 2A plus 2A cube minus 2A, and denominator by formula A square minus B square. So square is already there. It will become A to the power 4 minus 1. Now second term I am writing 4A cube A to the power 4 plus 1 plus dot dot, last term is there. Okay. Now these and these cancel out. 2A cube plus 2A cube, 4A cube by A to the power 4 minus 1 plus 4A cube by A to the power 4 plus 1 plus dot dot, last term. Then again LCM. A to the power 4 minus 1 into A to the power 4 plus 1. Here 4A cube into, now you have understood what will come here, 4A cube into A to the power 4 minus 1 plus dot dot, last term. Then multiply. You know, in case of multiplication, powers are added. So it is becoming 4A to the power 7 plus 4A cube. Here also A to the A cube and A to the power 4, 4A to the power 7 minus 4A cube. And denominator A square minus B square, 4 is there. So A to the power 4 whole square means A to the power 8 minus 1 plus last term. Okay. Now what is cancelling? 4A cube. So we are getting here this sum. You will practice many times. Okay, easy, but if any step you will miss out, then answer will not come. 4, 4, 8, 8 A to the power 7 and denominator A to the power 8 minus 1. Then last term I am writing. What is the last term? 8 A to the power 7 by A to the power 8 plus 1. Again take the LCM. Here A to the power 8 plus 1 plus then open the bracket In case of multiplication, powers will be added. And denominator a square minus b square. 8 whole square means a to the power 16 minus 1. Now 8 plus same term, like terms, so you will add 16 a to the power 15 by a to the power 16 minus 1. This is your answer. Okay. Now next sum you will get in next video.